When you order an ALIF Semiconductor Ensemble DevKit, you'll receive a box a little like this. Another engineer at ipXchange has already unboxed this one, and thus it's already been taken out of its foam and anti-static packaging. But this is what you're getting. A dev kit that allows you to evaluate ALIF's E7 Fusion processor. It's a very capable bit of kit, and eventually you'll create some really good applications with it. But let's start from day dot and just get an LED to blink. In this video, I'll walk you through installing everything you require to begin developing with your dev kit so that you can get out there and be disruptive. Let's dive right in. To start, click the link in this video's description to be taken to an official GitHub project labeled Getting Started with VSCode CMSIS Pack Project. This tutorial is fully based off this, so anything that I do will be fully replicated in this GitHub repo. Our first step will be to download Visual Studio Code, and this counts even if you currently have a version installed on your computer. We're going to make one that's containerized and specifically made for this dev kit. Let's go ahead and install the .zip version, and once again that'll help us to containerize this. So we'll go ahead and download that. Now that we've downloaded it, we'll go ahead and unzip it. Now that this is done unzipping, we can go ahead and delete this one, and we'll jump on in here and we'll make a new folder. It's called data. All of your config and extension data will be stored in this data folder, and that allowed us to be completely containerized. Following along what's in this repo, the next step would be to install the ALIF Security Toolkit. So we'll go ahead and open this. And by the way, you need to have a login to the ALIF software and tools page. So I'm just going to assume you have this and we'll keep on going. You can get this by creating an account. So here it is, ALIF Security Toolkit, and we'll download this for Windows. Great, so now this is downloaded, we'll go ahead and extract it. I'm going to rename this to alif-se-tools, and I'll cut it and bring it to a base C directory. That'll be helpful later. If you don't want to do that step, that's totally fine. Just remember what its name is and remember where it is, and we'll use that later. The next step is to install JLink, which will be used for our programming. Go ahead and click on the JLink software link, and we'll install our latest stable version. And for me, this is a Windows 64-bit. We'll go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, it will come up with an installer. You can just click all through that. No worries, we all agree to the license. No thank you, I'll be right. Once again, you're going to want to take care of where this folder ends up. Go ahead and click finish. For most, this will install directly to Windows C, program files, and SEGGER. But if it doesn't, find that file and take note of it because you'll need it later. Next up is to install Git if you haven't already got it. So go ahead and download this. There's only one thing to keep in mind when you're downloading Git here. It's just to make sure that you select this recommended one. It should already be selected, but just in case. Go ahead and run this executable. This is the one you want to watch out for. It's just got to be added to your path. Whilst this is downloading, we can go ahead and go back to this repo and clone the project source code. So once Git is installed, we'll go ahead and open a command window. We'll place this inside and get it all downloaded. Now we'll go ahead and clone the project template. So we'll use Git for that, which we've just installed. Go ahead and open up command prompt and paste what's been given to you there. So I'll have this all down in the description for you as well, or you can follow along with their own repo. So let's press enter a couple of times and have it all prepare itself. Beautiful, so we should be good. Now, if you look in your users and the user that you are, you should see you now have an ALIF VSCode template there. Now it's finally time to actually start VSCode. So we'll go ahead and we'll find where our VSCode was installed to, and we'll open this application labeled code. So when it comes up, you'll have the chance to change the colors, text sizes, but you don't need any of that. What we'll do is we'll navigate all past that and we'll open a file. So let's go ahead and close that. Now we go File, Open Folder. Now what we're looking for is where we've just saved these tools. So we'll go to Windows, Users, your current user, ALIF VSCode template. And that has all of these examples in it, including Blinky, which is what you're here for. Let's go ahead and select that folder. What's going to happen here is you're going to be hit with an onslaught of, do you trust this author? And do you want to install this extension? And the answer is 90% yes. So follow along with me. So yes, we trust all the authors. Great. Do I want to install the recommended extensions? Absolutely I do. They've been prepared just for you. Yeah, trust all the publishers installed. No worry. This might take a couple minutes, but when it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. Awesome. Some more pop-ups here. Yes, we'll go ahead. Always allow. Why not? Pre-release version of C, C++. Not interested. Beautiful. So see on this bottom bar here, this is approximately what it should look like. In their example, it says they've got 5 ARM tools. Mine says 4. Still work the same for me. So next, we're just going to configure some Visual Studio Code settings. So we need these for the JLink, for app debugging and programming, and also for the ALIF Security Tools or SE Tools integration. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and copy this from the GitHub, or it'll be down in the description of the YouTube video. We will press F1 and type user. What we're looking for is preferences, open user settings, JSON. JSON is the cool kids called. Beautiful. So this is where mine are located. This is why I said take note of these 2 locations. So you'll need where the root is of the SE tools and also your JLink software. So that should be exactly where mine is. Just go ahead and find yours. You can save and close that. Excitingly, now it is time to build our first application. So let's go and do that. You should notice there's a new tool here called CMSIS. We go ahead and go to it. And while we're here, we may as well snoop around and see what a new .c in the life of an ALIF processor looks like. So this is what your Blinky sketch will look like. But don't worry, we don't have to change anything. It's all done for us. Let's go ahead and press the hammer to build this application. Now it's time to program our board. We'll go ahead and connect it via the USB that we've been given. And we'll plug it into this port here. It says PRG USB. You'll find it. And if this port doesn't work, try the other one. Take a note of which COM this connects to as well, which port it talks through. You'll need that for later. Time to start programming. Press F1, then type task. What we're looking for is tasks run task. Press on this. Now we'd like to program with Security Toolkit. We'll press that and it shall open some terminal windows for us. Eventually you guys need your COM port, so just keep that one in mind. I know that mine is COM8. So which COM shall we choose? COM8. Great, we have success and we're now uploading code. And we should see a blue blink. Fantastic. Nobody but us hardware engineers will understand how much that blink means. Awesome. I pray that you didn't come unstuck and now you've got a frustrating LED blinking at you. At ipXchange, we have one of the broadest range of ALIF-related content outside of ALIF themselves. Head over to our website and you'll find all about applications that you can make with these capable fusion processors. And once you've made something cooler than a blinking LED, and not that it's not cool, post your project on our community content page and get involved with our community 100,000 strong. By the way, we would love to hear from you if you've got a commercial application for this board, because there's some extra assistance that we can afford you. Stay disrupted.